We'll just take a quick ride up and a quick ride down.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Sorry.
So this is the only one that's still original like this in the building?
Yes, and this is the only one that goes to the basement. It'll take a second.
Oh, I see.
City Hall used to have, most of their elevators still got the hand levers.
We
And up
should
in-
stop there.
And up until about 10 or 12 years ago, there was an older black gentleman that was there for like 60, 70 years.
Oh yeah.
And he would sit on the stool, and everyone would just wait for that elevator.
Oh, the old
Yeah.
like one that had he would push the button and then push the lever, the doors would close and it would be on its
I've
way.
seen videos of that online.
Yeah, he would just sit there like on a bar stool. Then
Mm-hmm.
That was a
That's
shot.
awesome. This thing is fast.
once it gets going, yeah.
It's definitely gearless. I think this is actually on
I
a
think it's
door.
a K&H maybe?
It's Westinghouse. Do you know what
It's a
year?
Westinghouse.
This
No,
building-
this was the building was completed in 1896.
Oh wow. So these aren't. This is probably not even original.
So
This
they're auto
No, but I
levels.
would figure, I would reckon at least 100 years old.
Gotcha.
It's like the floor. The floor is not the original floor out here,
Mhm.
but this was done in the early 20s. Jermaine, have a good weekend.